Hi guys, this is a quick overview of the workflow that I used for my cousin's wedding, which you'll get to see in all the vlogs that are coming up after this. So I started off with ChatGPT. We planned out my week. You can see the blurb at the top of what I wrote in. And then I turned the things that we came up with into, well, ChatGPT turned them into tasks, and I put those into a Kanban board on Notion, which is what I was prompted to do by ChatGPT. And I'm so glad I did. This was amazing. I love this style of organization. I love being able to drag the cards into different columns and the flow that it has, and then I turned that itself into a Google Calendar. This worked really well for me, and I highly recommend for anyone that needs help planning out a super busy week of their life.